Hey YouTube, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a cash stuffing of $527. If that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. I have a new envelope for my cash stuffing. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was a card like stationery set. But I thought this was a really nice envelope and a good size to put cash in. And I made a little cash breakdown card that I give to the teller. It's significantly bigger than the ones I've seen, which I like because it's easier to see. And it just makes it really easy for the tellers to know what to give me. In today's video, we're gonna be stuffing $527. Hopefully this time around, guys, I got the right change. Let's see, because I always think that I get the correct amount of change and I'm completely wrong. And as always, I'm gonna go ahead and count the money just to make sure that we have the correct amount. So let's get started. I have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 390, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 500, 510, 515, 520, 525, 526, 527. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. If you watched my previous video, you'll know the budget that we're working with. I'll put a card up above for you. So starting off with my gas and treats. For my gas this week, I'm gonna do $36. So I'm gonna grab a 20, a 10, a 5, and a 1. And that's my gas for the week. And the $6 is for tolls. I'll pay that online, but I still want to take out the money so that I can put it in my back to credit card envelope once I go through the tolls, and then I know that I paid them off for the week. So that's what the additional money is for. So this goes into my wallet, and then I also have treats. I finally used the $10 that I had, but I put the $10 into my Starbucks app. My sister ended up treating me to coffee, so I put the money in the app, but she ended up paying. So I still technically have it, just not in cash form. It's in the app. So I'm not gonna put anything towards this, but if I do want coffee or anything of that sort, I would take that from my spending money. So I'm gonna put this to the side for my wallet. So we're gonna start off in my Luna binder, and starting off with groceries. In groceries, we have $20 left. I am going to put that aside for my credit card payment. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and I always do $100 for groceries. So I'm gonna do a 50, 2 20s, and a 10. With that, so we have 100. So next up we have our spending, and the spending is for anything that I want to buy, hobbies, random little things that I need, any miscellaneous. That's what I use spending for. And for spending this week, we're doing $50. So I'm gonna do a 50 because I don't want to break it, and I've been doing a lot of spending, so I'm gonna try to give myself the whole 50 so that I don't, or so that it's harder to spend it. Next up is family, and for family, we're adding $40. So I'm going to do 2 20s and 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. All right, so then next up we have beauty, and in our beauty fund this time around, we're gonna add 10. In beauty, we currently have 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, and 3. Next up we have kids, and in our kids fund we're adding $10. I'm gonna grab a 10. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. 50 in our kids. And I am currently low on diapers, so I think that is where that money will be used towards. Next up, we have clothes, and in our clothes fund, we're gonna do 25. So I'm gonna do a 20 and a 5. So in clothes, currently we have 20, 40, 50, 5. Next up, we have Kenpa, and Kenpa is getting $5 this time around. So Kenpa currently has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I'm gonna grab a 10. So in gifts, we currently have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So $48 in gifts. And then next up we have investing, and in investing we're adding $10 this time around. So I'm gonna grab that 10. And we have 10, 15, 20. And that one I'm not calculating, just because once I hit 100, I'm just gonna transfer it over to do some sort of stock or something with $100. So that concludes my Luna binder. Now we're gonna move on to my binder, which is nameless still. And we have the car fund, and in the car fund we're gonna do $60. So I'm gonna grab 20s for that. And a car is car maintenance and potentially paying my car insurance in a 6 months term instead of monthly. So that's what I'm saving in this car fund. And in my car fund, I currently have 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310. Okay. right, and next up we have our health fund, and in our health fund we're gonna put in $20. So I'm gonna grab that 20, and we currently have 100, 120, 130. So 130. And that's it in this binder. Envelopes. These fund, I'm putting in $20. I'm putting in $20. So I'm gonna grab a 20. And he currently has 20, 40, 50, 5, 60. So $60. Is the mommy fund, my fund. Next up is my fund. And in my fund, we are adding $20 as well. So I'm gonna grab a 20. And I currently have $20. I currently have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60, same as hubby. Next up we have my son's fund. We're adding $20 as well. So this $2 bill that I will count. And then I have, he currently has 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. And then next up is my daughter, and my daughter is getting $20 as well. That's that last 20. And she should have the same as her brother. She has her $2 bill in there, and have 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. Next up, we have our back to school, and in our back to school, we are putting in $11. So I'm going to do a 10 in that one. So in back to school, we currently have 100, 200, 220, 230, 240, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 249. That is crazy. I feel like adding one more dollar to make it an even 50. So in our vacation fund, we're gonna add $30, but I'm trying to keep small bills in here, so I'm going to actually turn in a 20 to the bank and use the 50 and use the 50. That way I have smaller bills in here. That way I have larger bills, not smaller, excuse me. So then I have 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 420, 430, and 440. 440. Amazed by how much money you get after a while of saving. So lastly, we have our Christmas fund. And in our Christmas fund, we're going to use the last of our money, which is $30. So I have a 20 and a 30. I'm going to add that here. how much we have in our Christmas fund. So our Christmas fund, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 470, 480, 490, 510. So 510 in our Christmas fund. Christmas is almost fully funded already. That is amazing. Oh, our Christmas fund is almost fully funded. I plan on using this for travel and gifts as well. And that's it. That sums up my cash stuffing. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.